right. So this is a CorelDraw, right? So now we are designing Maggi cube. You may have to set up your page, you may not set up your page because this is just an object you are designing. You are not making use of the full page. So what we do, let me go and set it up to inches, and it's on A4 already. So now I can choose landscape or portrait. It doesn't mean because I'm not using the whole page. Show yourself now. I'm not using the whole page. It could be portrait or landscape. So let me make it portrait. Now draw a cube. Click on rectangle. Then hold down your control key and click and drag. This is a cube. You may be thinking maybe this side is longer than this side. Is a lie. It depends on your screen size. So look at it now. Let's come here. What do you see here? 4.0 by 4.0. Can you see that? So meanwhile, if you just click and draw like this, no matter how you try, there will still be difference. You saw it now? 4.17 by 4.0. There will still be different. That's why you have to hold down your control key so that you can draw what? A cube. You get the point now? So this is my cube. I've done my cube here. Alright. Now I need to duplicate this cube, but before that, I need to divide this so that it can be equal. Okay, let me choose landscape for this so that I can have my more space. I can have more space. Can you see that? I can have my space. Now, what you need to do, go and choose your green line. In fact, let me zoom this in a bit so that you can see clearly. Okay. Now, you see the center. This is the center of it, Abi. So I want to divide it this way and divide it this way. You understand now? But before I will not duplicate it. But do you know what you do? Go and choose your green line and use it to work bisect the middle like this. Use to bisect the middle. Now it's bisected. You understand now? Then come here. You are choosing the vertical. And that was horizontal green line. Now you are choosing the vertical. Then you have to select this thing before you pick it. You understand? You have to select the object before you pick it and drop it there. Now let's see whether it's at the middle. No, it's really small. So I will just shift it a bit. Right? So now I have this. It's too much. So let me take it back. So you have to set it to have perfect equal. Show yourself now. See here and here, they're not equal. They are equal. So now press plus sign. Press plus sign, then move it down this way. Move it down this way. Then make sure you are using the green lines to bisect it. You know. You are using the green lines to what? To bisect it. Can you see? So I can use my arrow key to move it where if it's not too set. Do you get the point now? Okay, let me see this. Alright, can you see that? So once I'm done, you can see that is equal size here and this one here is the same. So I need the one on top like and the one on. So what I will do, I'll duplicate the first one. The first one I'll duplicate it. Then now there are two. There are two here now because I duplicated it using plus sign. So one is at the back, one is at the front. So the one at the front, the one I just duplicated is the one I want to. A copy of the one I duplicated is what I want to convert to curve. Then click on convert to curve. When you click on convert to curve, nothing happens until you choose the shape tool. Then choose your shape tool. Then point here, and move it to this edge. Move it to this edge. Then point here and move it to this edge. You see now. So if it's not straight, you may have to zoom it. Because zooming will make you to have perfect, you can see. But if you don't zoom it, it will be as if you are correct. Meanwhile, you are not correct. So I'm moving it down to that side. Then this one too, I'm moving it here. So now let me reduce the zoom so that I can have. Can you see that? Then what do? I duplicate it. Right? Then I use arrow key to move it down. I can also pick it. Do you get the point now? But arrow key will make it more perfect. But if you are picking this, you have to hold down your control key. You have to hold down so that it can be on a straight line. It will not be sheet, not be sheeted, not sheet up and down, left and right. So now I'm okay. Can you see that? So from there we have our cube. Can you see that? We have our cube. So now I don't need these grid lines anymore. Select the green line and press what? Delete key. Drag me there. Select this green line and press what? Delete key. Now you have your cube. You see now that guy has applied for coding. So that's why I said you should go and meet them. So we learn coding.
So it's
not doing this one again.
Okay,
so it's not doing coding. So
not very deep.
So now, well, I may still come back and learn this one from you, Fisher. You will see. Yes, now. All right. So now, we now have our cube. Can you see that this cube is perfect? You understand now? You have a perfect shape. Look at this side of the Maggi. Look at this side of the Maggi. Look at the back side of the Maggi. Look at the left side and the right side of the Maggi. Can you see that? So what you need to do now, duplicate this. Then use this place to move it this way like this. I have that. Then duplicate this again. Then come from up and down. Make sure you're having the same size with this one. Can you see that? Aha. Then duplicate it and bring it down here. Bring it down here. Are you there? So now reduce the size. Reduce it. But before I will shape it, let me zoom this place to be sure that it's on a straight line. You see? You see? I'm not sure. Can you see that? Aha. So what I will do now, what I will do is to what? Use my this thing to perfect, right? Okay. Now reduce the zoom back. Or you press F3. Or you press F4. F4 will bring it to the to fit in the window. Now reduce this one because you want to meet up with this line. You want to meet up with this line here, and so that it can be the same size with this one. And that was the reason why I duplicated this one, so that it can be the same. So I don't have to go and draw another one. It will not be different size. So now reduce it a bit. Now click on it again to have screw undo. Now screw it. You see, it's not perfect, right? It's not perfect. I will undo. Don't reduce it there. I will undo. Go and reduce it here. Then select it. Then select it again to have screw undo. It's not too perfect self. It's too much. Then undo. Let me just increase it a bit. I think I'm okay. Then let me screw it. Perfect. Right? Is it perfect? No. Please, until you are perfect, don't just do it. Don't be in a haste. Right? Don't be in a haste. Just make sure you have a perfect design. Perfect. Right? Perfect. Can you see that? Perfect. Now, select it, duplicate it, and bring it down here. Or you just drag and drop and press plus sign. So, and I need it to be perfect. I need it to be perfect. Then, though, I can just, if it's not perfect, I can just zoom it. Because you need to see perfection is part of this thing. Just zoom it, just now use arrow key. Use arrow key. Aha, perfect. Perfect. So now reduce the or fitting window. F4 will fit in window. Alright, we have that. Can we see that? Huh? Huh? I'm coming. I'm coming. Are we there now? Okay. So now that you have there, now you need to, you have to first of all do the skeleton, right? So I'm doing the skeleton now. Yes, now see this one, convert it to curve, then choose your shape tool, then point here, and the difference between converting an object to curve and converting the line of the object to curve. So I converted the object to curve. Now I want to convert the line of the object to curve. You point the line, then you click convert to curve. Click outside, then click and drag it. Click and drag it up. Okay? Aha. So now we need where they will unravel the Maggi. Then go and choose pen tool. Pen tool will be best. Choose pen tool. Then point here, click, move to this middle, move to the middle like this. Then come down to this place. Yes or no? Then double click to release. Oh, sorry, I did not double click. Let me press the release key. Then I want to do it again. Click, then move this way. Click, then join it here. Double click. Okay. Then I'll come here, click, and bring it down here. Then click. Then come here, click, and bring it down here. Then click. Now, that is where they will unravel the Maggi. Hey, there's a mistake. So what I will do, I will just increase it a bit to join To join that line. And I can also use my shape tool to do it. Let me use my shape tool to move it. Okay. All right. Now you have that, right? Now this is where they will peel off the Maggi. This is one side of the Maggi where you open it here, you open it here, you open it here, you open it there. Do you get the point now? This is where you open. Now you have done the whole skeleton. Now let's begin to add color. Yeah, give a color yellow. Give a color yellow. No. Because that one is a surface. It's not the primary
So we are
structure.
not going to add it.
Well, I'm going to add it.
Okay, but that will be after the color.
Yes. Show us that now. So now this one, give it red. This one, give it red. Then this one, give it yellow. This one, give it red. Then this one, give it red. Then this one, give it yellow. Then this one, give it grayscale, maybe 30% or 20%. Then the lines, select the lines. You can select them together by holding down your shift key. You select the first one. You select the first one. You hold down your shift key. You select the first one. You hold down your shift key. You select the second one. You hold down your shift key. You select the third one. Then since that one is 20%, then let me use this one as 10%. Right click on it. 10% is too. Let's come and choose white. White will be okay. Sometimes it depends on the what is called. White is appearing now. Now, if you check it, it's having black lines all through. Black lines all through. So if I say Control A to select everything and say no line, this line will be removed. I have to do the structure, everything. You understand? I have to do the whole structure. If not, you can also ignore this one first and design it later. Do you get the point? You can do this one later after you have added the color and everything. But notwithstanding, that is how we use it. Then now select them by holding down your shift key. Select them by holding down your shift key. Then now go to line. Say no line. Go to line, right click on the line to give you no line. Now it's removed. Let's do this one too. It's removed. That is, oh sorry. It was removed. Okay. Oh, undo. I've undo it. Now is this one I'm supposed to select? And then let me hold down my shift key. This. Okay. Then right click on the. So that is when it will be neater. You can see it's very neat. It is very, very neat. Let's shift this one a bit to close. To close that red. Can you see that? So now go ahead and type and draw a star. Go ahead and draw star. And it has to be 4 star. If it's not 4 star, I'm going to change it to 4 star. This is 5 star. It has to be 4 stars. Did you use 5 stars?
No.
4. Okay. Now I'm selecting with this one and say C so that it can be at the center. Can you see that? Then give it color what? Color red. Then line color yellow. Line color yellow. Then increase the line point. Okay? So that I can show very well. Then let's zoom that star. Let's zoom the star. Because we have to draw a rectangle in between so that it can come out as star. So draw a rectangle. Now I'm drawing a rectangle this way. Can you see that? I'm drawing a rectangle that way. Let me adjust this side. Then give that place color yellow and say no line. No line. Are you there? Are you there? Then go and type your M. M to stand for what? Maggi. Then you can bold it. Then bring it inside. Then press red. Now you have your Maggi. Now reduce the zoom. Reduce the zoom. Reduce the zoom. You say you need me? For that boy? For that small boy? Okay, I'm coming. Then, how will you say? Now, come to then type Maggi cube. Maggi, then come down, cube, then bold it, then increase it a bit, make it at the center, then bring it down here. Now it's too big. Now break it, sorry, break, not duplicate. Break it, Control K to break, right? Control K to break apart, right? Then you have it that way. Then give it a color red. No, sorry, red. It's too big. It's too big. Let me reduce the size. Let me delete this one and reduce this size. I don't want it to be too big. So then let me choose a black for it. Good and fine. Then I bring it down here. Maggi. Then that I can add what? Come at the end of it. Then press the key and type Q. Then I will break it apart, right? Control K. Then I will move this one to closer. I'll move this one closer. Then I need the registration mark. So what do? Go to ellipse over, draw equal circle, right? Then increase the line point probably by 1.5. Then say line color red. Then go to text tool, then type R. Then bring the arrow inside the you see that? Then give it bold it, then give it color red. Now select everything together, then reduce it. I can even say Ctrl G to group it, then bring it down here. Okay, that's register mark. Then instead of me to type, I can just duplicate this one here. I can just duplicate it, right? Then I give it color yellow. Then I will reduce the size. Then I'll bring it down here. Then let me reduce it vertically. Then I'll scale it again, and then I'll say, okay, it's too small. Let me reduce it a bit. Let me just increase it a bit or reduce it a bit. All right. Then look again. Then stream. Wow, it's too big, Abby. So I need to still reduce it. Okay. Stream it. Okay, it's perfect. Then make sure you as you are screening, you are observing that the size, the width here and the width down are equal. Hello, what next? We are done. No?
You want to use the system for that?
Yes. So what you need to do, let me reduce the reducing. Yes. Now group it. Group is Ctrl G, then Ctrl A rather to select it all, then Ctrl G to group. Yes. So I'm going to duplicate it. So I'm bringing one here, then I'm bringing the other one here. So let me make it at this page. So now this one, just sheet it up. Say sheet page up, then bring it on top. So this is how they put it in market, Abby. 3 for 20 naira. All right. So
3 for 20 naira.
I don't know. So that is your Maggi cube. Maybe 3 for 100 naira. I'll be 200 naira. So that's your Maggi cube. You can see very neat, clean. You should observe that when you are doing your own. It should be very neat and clean.
Just said enough will make you ambassador
For Maggi.
for Star Maggi.
Yeah, no. Okay, that is the end of the class. God bless us. Let me convert the video now and send it. So,